only have 2 minutes. Instead, you have 120 seconds. This will be a great impact your speech. Before I call the Toastmaster Chokalingam, evaluator, please read the
Toastmaster Chokalingam is giving his CC2 project today. The objectives for this speech is select an appropriate outline which allows listeners to easily follow and understand your speech. Make your message clear with supporting material directly contributing to that message. Use appropriate transitions, that's a very important piece. When moving from one idea to another, create a strong opening. It's a structure. Create a strong opening and conclusion. Timer please note 5 to 7 minutes. Go to the Toastmaster.
Thank you, Toastmaster Paramurthy. I would like to call Toastmaster Chokalingam. Please, hands together. Toastmaster. His title, do you have experience? Toastmaster Chokalingam, do you have experience?
It was my 9th interview. I badly needed this job because I did not want my number of attempts to become a 2-digit number. So I prepared very well. I cleared the first 2 rounds and now I'm going to enter the main battlefield, the main interview. So I get inside the room. I saw 2 guys who are around 40. They're hip size. So I just gave my resume to proceed. So I wanted to break the ice. I said, "Good morning, sir. Good morning, fellow Toastmasters and guests." See, you are giving good response. But he asked, "Do you have experience which is completely unrelated to my one?" I was confused because just then I completed my engineering. I have clearly mentioned that in my resume that he was going through for 5 minutes. Did he really went through my resume, or he just saw the font size and font styles in them, or did they already select the person and just want to get rid of me, or did they expect a different answer from me? If so, do I look such kind of person to him who can give a different answer? So a lot of such questions in my mind in those 2 seconds. I replied, "Yes, sir, I have experience. So far, I have attended 8 interviews." Yes, I answered him smartly. I thought that I answered him smartly. Then the interview continued. It continued for 8 hours, including lunch break and tea breaks. So I was very much tired. It was a very bad day for me, and to make it worse, I was not selected. Yes, I was interviewed for 8 hours and I was not selected. It's a big disappointment for me. To my surprise, I was not that much worried for this, because for the first time, I came to know that I could withstand an 8-hour interview. And then, his first question and my answer to that made me to think deeply. Do I have experience? Yes, I have experience. Now I have attended 8 + 1, 9 interviews. Am I going to waste it? No, surely not. How could I make use of this experience? Simple. Better learn from it. Learning from experience is better than learning from books. So, for the first time, after 9 interviews, I sat down and I framed a set of 5 questions. I wanted to analyze my performance. I wanted to learn from my experience. So those questions are, number 1, what happened? So, this question needs to be answered as soon as possible of any event, because there is a greater possibility for us to forget some important nuances and many things related to that event. So I recalled my previous experiences and noted them one by one in a paper, so I can see what are the mistakes I have done. Question number 2, why did it happen that way? There must be a reason for everything. Even though the reason is so silly, there must be a reason. For example, in one of my interview, I think 3rd or 4th interview, so they asked me this question. So Chokalingam, tell me, which is your favorite company? Which is your dream company? I'll tell you, this is one of the simplest questions, because whoever asked this question, just tell their name. So I just tell them, Accenture, sir. Actually, they were from minorities. I have to prepare for the next interview. So there must be a reason, even though that it is so silly. And question number 3, what are the consequences? How bad it is or how good it is? So now we have what happened and why did it happen? So now this answer for this question, what are the consequences, will make you to decide. I mean, will tell you whether to react quickly or to react after a month or after a year. So this question answers you clearly. And question number 4, which is very important. what is the lesson learned? So far from my experiences, I learned this one. Even though I was technically strong, somewhat, I was not that much confident. So if someone says that your approach to this problem is wrong, I easily go up with them because they do have experience and they are telling that this is the wrong way. So I gave up easily. So this is one of the bad things in my previous experiences. So I want to get rid of it. So for what are the 4 questions? What happened? Why did it happen? What are the consequences? And what is the lesson learned? Keep these 4 questions on one side of the balance. And the main question, the 5th one, what next? So this should either balance it or outweigh these 4 questions. And most of us make mistakes in this part. I did not want to make the same mistake. So I prepared a simple do's and don'ts in my next interview. And I followed them. It made me process pretty good. So I got my job in the next, 11, 12, my 13th interview. So 13 is my lucky number. And then, after that, I feel very good handling these 5 questions. Then I started applying these 5 questions to my day-to-day activities. It was very good. I can apply to any scenarios, like driving a bike without doing any accidents, or spending time with your loved ones, and or you can just say going on time to your place, anything. And even to be simple, you can apply the same 5 questions to a recent flood in Chennai. We have not seen such disaster in the recent years. Now, we have seen, we came through it, we have the experience, and now we want to learn from it. And we have to do it. Ladies and gentlemen, do you have experience? Don't wait until it grabs your collar and teaches you a lesson. Just volunteer yourself to get good out of it as much as possible.